Hi guys, it's Dan from Top Gear Tuning, and today we're doing a bit more development on the i30N platform, which is a very popular one in our network at the moment. So this is actually the fastback model. As you can see, it's a bit longer than our usual hatchback models that we have on the dyno. It's a gorgeous car. It's got loads of modifications on it, so we're doing some stage 2 calibration development today on this, so it'll be interesting to see what power figures we get. We've just dynoed it and it's making around 280 horsepower stock, which is about right for the modifications that it's got on it, and for about 390 Newton meters of torque as well. So we're going to do some calibration work on it and see what figures we end up with. So we've just dynoed the car stock. Obviously it has got a few modifications on there which I'll list in this video. As you can see, we've got 279 horsepower on average of 3 runs. So that's about right for this car. So we're going to take a read out of the ECU now using Bflash. We're going to obviously apply our calibration, we'll log it, and we're going to see what figures we turn out with. So we've done quite a lot of different calibrations on there. We've been logging it lots, as you can see. So we've finally ended up with just over 313 horsepower and 460 Newton meters of torque, which is a massive difference. The mid-range power is huge as well. The gains in the mid-range are a lot bigger than peak gains. So the customer's definitely going to notice a difference when they're driving that on the road. We're going to let it cool down and just give it one final dyno run just to see if we get any more power out of it, because it is getting quite hot from the continual data logging, so we might get a little bit more power out of it. But at the moment we're happy with just over 313 horsepower, and the logs look really, really healthy. Intake air temps look really good with the intercooler on there. The exhaust gas temperature sensor is picking up really good temperatures as well, so that's absolutely fine. So there's no issues in the logs that we can see, so we're really happy. So it's a happy car. So we're going to sort this out, give this back to the customer, and hope they have a good drive home to the south coast where they're from. So they've travelled quite a long distance today to bring the car to us, which is absolutely brilliant to see.